Welcome to the CFAN 3096 Making the Most of Your Internship Orientation. This orientation video is for students who intend to take CFAN 3096 Deferred Enrollment, meaning you are completing an internship in a field related to your major during the summer and you'll take the class in the fall. During this video, we will spend time going over what this class will look like and expectations. We will go over the assignments you need to do for this summer, and there's a second video that goes into detail about one assignment, and that's your learning goals. When you are done watching both this video and the learning goals video, there's a quiz you'll take, so pay close attention. Most of you are enrolled in this class to fulfill your experiential learning requirement. CFANs initiated this requirement with the intent of helping students be even more prepared and to be competitive in the job market. While having a college degree from the U of M is helpful, having at least one industry-related internship experience is even more of an asset. We want to give you an opportunity to transfer and apply your learning from the classroom to a non-academic setting. Internships are a great way to see if what you study is a good fit for you. They can also help you set career goals after you've spent time in the industry. During your time at your internship, you will be doing various tasks that will help you gain experience in your field in addition to basic skills, knowledge, competencies, and experience. What you want to know, you can ask and learn. All of this time, you will be working with other people, so be sure to build your network. Simply put, the college degree is no longer a ticket to a job, but a ticket to compete for a job. And all the surveys say that what employers look for is that they look for internship and informal work experience or part-time work. Here we have results from a survey. This is from a 2012 study conducted by the Chronicle of Higher Education. They asked employers what the most important elements were for looking at a recent grad. And as you can see, internships and work experience were at the top. Things at the bottom are things like college reputation, college GPA, and classes. And internships provide ample opportunity to develop tangible examples of time you've exercised the top 10 things employers look for in a job candidate. As you can see, internships are important and valued from the student and employer perspective. To help you make the most of your experience, this class is intentionally structured on the Kolb cycle of experiential learning. Experiential learning cycle describes the learning process. This process includes the integration of knowledge, activity, and reflection. Internships by themselves are great, and we combine them with structured reflection, supervisor feedback. Internships, therefore, are more powerful, meaningful experiences. And that's what we do in this course. Now you know what an internship is. Now we're going to dive into this particular course and what's going to happen. You will be doing your internship over the summer, and there are assignments you will do over the summer. These count towards your grade. Actual class sessions will take place in the fall for half the semester. At that time, you will be meeting in person like a traditional class. 90 of your 120 hours need to be done over the summer. If you are unsure of your internship will be able to do this, please contact the internship coordinator. Most of this information can be found in the syllabus, which you are expected to read. This includes assignment due dates and when the class meets. Late work will not be accepted unless you email the instructor prior to the due date. Moodle is your best friend in this course, even during the summer. Everything you need to know and all of your assignments are posted and they can be submitted there. If you're not already familiar with Moodle, please take a moment, poke around, and see what Moodle offers you. You will have the opportunity to check in with your instructor over the summer. Be sure that you make this happen. And here are some tips to prepare for the fall. You want to be able to reflect on what you've learned and take notes, take lots of pictures and video, and collect stories and examples. One of your assignments will be to make a digital story that recaps your internship, and you want to have footage to be able to make that final digital story. Another thing you want to do is discuss your goals with your supervisor. This will help you and your supervisor be clear about what you're doing. Set timelines, be realistic, and it will help your supervisor understand that you need feedback. We have a few more things that will help you succeed in your internship. And one of the things that will help you is knowing there's a learning curve. And this is true in anything in life. For example, starting a new semester. You start it, you're excited, you have this new experience, and then you kind of hit this low point. There are challenges, it can be overwhelming, there maybe is too much work, too little work, and then you kind of sort it out, you settle in, you get comfortable, and then the internship ends. A few other tips is to be sure that you ask a lot of questions and be humble. And one of the key things that's different about an internship than college are these things. And within the workplace culture is intergenerational differences. So you'll get the opportunity to work with all kinds of different people, which ties into professionalism. And it differs from industry to industry. Imagine a graphic design firm, an accounting firm, a sustainable organic farm, the culture, how people relate to one another, what is considered acceptable behavior, communication styles, attire, all of that differs from place to place. We ask all of you to have humble curiosity as you move into the culture of your internship worksite. Essentially, don't be unprofessional. You're an intern, so there's grace for you. So ask a lot of questions, make observations, be humble, find out what is acceptable, and then don't be unacceptable. And know that we here at the Career Internship Resources Center, Career Internship Services, we've got your back and we are here for you. Come and stop in and visit us and meet with your career counselor if you're unsure of how to put this experience on your resume and on your LinkedIn profile. And if you're in an unpaid internship, check out our website to see about possibly getting a grant and getting paid. You made it. We all made it. And now get busy on Moodle and begin your assignments. And watch the other video and then take the quiz.